along the flood along the Keffi Utaba Lefi area bridge. It's a flood, serious flood here. You can see motorists are stranded. Everywhere is stranded, you can see. There's a lot of heavy flood here along Keffi Nyanya Road. You can imagine that everywhere is standing still. You can see how water is turning everywhere. You just observe, motorists are stranded. You can imagine this. Very heavy flood here in Keffi, along Keffi Nyanya Road. Serious flood. Serious flood. We believe many have lost their life. Properties worth millions of nairas have been destroyed by this flood. You can imagine this, where Fulanis are selling cows and sheep. Many farmers have lost their belongings. Motorists are stranded. Everywhere have been cut off. No in and out within Keffi and Abuja Road. People going to Abuja, they are stranded. Going to Keffi, to Benue Makodi, they are stranded. You can imagine passerby. You can imagine passengers are stranded here. Everywhere is standing still. With the little rain that fall along the Nasarawa state here, you can imagine people are stranded, passengers are stranded here. Everyone is stranded. You can imagine this. Everywhere is stranded. People are stranded. You can imagine this. We don't know whether government can come to our aid. We don't know what the government can do about this. Everyone is stranded here. You can imagine this. You can imagine this. Imagine this. You can imagine this. Very heavy flood here. Very heavy flood. Very heavy flood. Very heavy flood. People are stranded here. Everyone is stranded. People are stranded. This is Keffi Nyanya Road. Keffi Abuja Road. People are stranded. Passengers are stranded. You can imagine this. Everywhere stands still. Everywhere is standing still. Everywhere is standing still. Everywhere is standing still. Total breakout. Total breakout. People, total breakout. Total breakout. Total breakout. Total breakout. Total breakout. No in and out from Keffi Abuja Road. Total breakout. Heavy flood along the Keffi Utaba Lefi bridge. Total breakout. People are stranded. People are stranded. Serious breakout. Serious breakout. Serious breakout. Serious breakout. Heavy flood in Nasarawa State. Heavy flood. Heavy flood.